Today we're gonna make an experiment with vinegar and stuff. For this you'll need food coloring. I got red and yellow. Some water, third cup of water. Some vinegar in my glass. And some,
detergent.
Detergent. Cameraman. And baking soda. So let's get started. First we'll put our vinegar.
No. I thought vinegar was last, right? I thought first we do the baking soda.
Well, we should. Okay. We should put this first.
Go ahead. What are those?
These are food colorings.
Okay.
Can I just tell you? Okay, this yellow, this red. If you want to know. I told you before, but I told you again. Who cares? Bit of red food coloring and this. Like that. Put a tiny bit. I don't know if my food color is dissolved. Oh, you see, it's underneath my red is going. It's trying to dissolve.
Do you want me to give it a little stir so the color mixes up?
How will we give it stir if the food, because it's so big, how will we put a spoon
I can
into
do
it?
this. Your cameraman is the best cameraman in the whole world. You can do this, and you got your color.
I see my color. I just need to put
Hey,
one drop.
that's it. Go easy on the color.
Done. I just want it to look really good. It's a colorful experiment. Now we'll put some we'll put some detergent, whatever that's called.
Detergent.
Detergent, okay. Open this detergent thingy. Put our detergent.
That should be enough.
Okay. I'll just put it.
Up. You don't want to explode the whole place, right?
I'm gonna mix with all these. Oh, is detergent for exploring the place? Okay, never mind about that now. Now. Baking soda! Wait, don't. I see people putting vinegar and then baking soda. Okay. I hope.
Go ahead.
Okay, I don't know about this.
Did you get anything inside at all?
I don't even know what we will do about this. This can take a long time
Hey,
until summer.
When you pour in the vinegar, make sure your bottle is on the plate. Don't ruin the dining table.
And anyway, you're just the cameraman. You're not like my dad or my mother.
I'm your dad.
The cameraman was trying to laugh at me. You guys should tell me. Okay, that's enough. Just gonna put a little more. That would stick on me. Okay, that's enough. It's time to pour the vinegar.
Go easy on the vinegar. Go easy.
Easy.
Bas. Bas. What?
Put more vinegar.
Oh no.
Look how that color is exploding. There's so much. Just look at that. Oh, this smells so stink. Is it because of this detergent thing?
I think it's because of everything.
You found my channel, and thank you to watch. Please subscribe. Okay, this is a mess. Just look, it's still bubbling. Oh.
Bas.